Hi, I'm Randy Altman with Post Perspective. We're here at NAB 2016, and my guest at the moment is Melissa Davies-Barnett from Arc9, which is a cloud collaboration tool made up of 9 different
processes.
That's right, hence Arc9. So why don't you talk about the genesis of the product and where it's come?
So we built Arc9 to really facilitate the ability to collaborate in the cloud for creative companies on creative projects, to be able to file share. To be able to file share intelligently with multiple attachments, meaning scripts and things that go with files, to be able to do review and approval, to manage your project, your calendars, all your assets, and throughout your delivery schedule, and to create presentations. So as you go through the process, the creative process, you are continually gathering everything up, putting it together, creating a type of presentation and sending it to the client or supervisors or the director. And we wanted the ability to make that, pretty, branded, as your own media. And so it's basically Arc9 brings all those things together in one platform.
And the user interface, like we were talking about, some non-technical people that need to be in on the collaboration process. So what does that look like to them? What is the user interface?
So Arc9, we say it's creative friendly. We're very visual, try to hide all of the deep data behind the pretty pictures.
Right.
Arc9 is fully brandable, so you can create your own media space with your own logos. We have advanced roles of permissions. There's a private client portal, so it's very simplified. You can pick what tools you can give to a client. And as we go along, we've really just started integrating. So now we integrate with Adobe, Autodesk, Avid, Premiere, Final Cut, Photoshop. So making the workflow even easier for all that type of content, where you can input easier and you can output. For example, export all of your reviews to an EDL timeline. Drop it right into your cut. The editor sees it.
Very, very
frame marked.
Yeah,
exactly.
So I know that your background was visual effects, but you were mentioning editing systems
right.
that work with this. So anyone can use it.
Absolutely. I mean, we it's really for creative companies. We have a integration process where we believe it gets really interesting. So if you have, 4 or 5 vendors working on a project, which is typical of our industry.
Yeah.
You can have connectivity where all the files are in one bank, and it is not uploading and downloading, uploading and downloading. It's a copy, and a copy is a fraction of a second as compared to uploading. Uploading a 4K file is, a tedious process.
Yes, it is. So, before I let you go, just talk to me about how people can purchase. Like, how do you charge for the service?
So Arc9 is a subscription base.
Okay.
You can start with, as a small company, at $24 a month for two team members, and infinite clients.
And then it just goes up.
And then it goes up all the way up to enterprise. So it could be 15 team members, at $50 a month. We're trying to make it so that everyone can utilize it,
right,
and become networks, and actually benefit further from the entire application.
Fantastic. Melissa, thank you so much for coming by. So, Melissa from Arc9, I'm Randy Altman with Post Perspective, and we're here at NAB 2016.